Okay, let's continue. When we have the information on the genotypes already, then the first process will occur. Okay, the first process is meiosis, and then what happened during this process, the allele or the two genes, it will be split. So we split these two capital letters T. Okay, and alright, so that what happened after the meiosis process. So as for the second plant also, meiosis process occur and the allele or the genes are split. Alright, then after the meiosis process are done, then it will be continue with the fertilization process. Okay. So the fertilization process, it will be crossing the genes or the characteristic from the first plant to the second plant. Okay, so for this one, it will be combined with both, so both of the genes from the other plant. So we choose one. Alright, that one first. So then fertilization process, it will be combined together, capital T and small t. Alright, so as for this one, it will combine to these characteristics also, so it will be capital T and small t. Okay, and this gene, it will be combined to both, to this one and that one. Okay, capital T and small t. And the last one, this gene will be combined to that plant, capital T and small t. Alright, so that are the combinations. Okay, now we have the offspring genotypes. Okay, the genotypes for the new individual, for the daughter or the offsprings, and now you need to identify the phenotypes based on the genes here. Alright, so here we have dominant and recessive, capital small letter. So because here we have one dominant trait, so it will show the characteristic of dominant, which is tall. Okay, this one also tall because it have one dominant there, one dominant tall, and this one also tall. Okay, so now all the four new individuals produced have the tall traits. Okay, alright, now we move to the second generation of monohybrid crossing. Okay, the second filial generation. So this is the first filial generation. We got genotypes, all of them are one capital T and one small t. So these are four new plants, and then for the second generation filial, we will choose two of this plant and then do the crossing. Okay, so alright, so this one are tall, or a tall plant. From the first generation, we want to produce the second generation. Just now, the tall pea plant have the genotypes of capital T and small t. Okay, and then that is the parental genotype. After that, the meiosis process occurs, so we will split the genes, and then after that, fertilization occur. Fertilization means the crossing. Okay, this gene will be crossed to this one, so as that one also. We will do one by one. Oops, remember you need to use ruler for this. Don't you ever use per hand. Okay, so when they combine, it will become capital T. Okay, and okay, done to that one. So for this one, sorry, Okay. Okay, how to draw the lines, you can refer to textbook. Okay, as long as all of the genes from the first plant is crossing to the genes for the second plant. Okay, now let's identify the phenotypes. What are the physical characteristics? Since both are dominant, so they will be tall. One dominant, one recessive. So dominant will show the characteristic. This one also tall. Now there is no dominant, both recessive. So when both recessive, then it will show the recessive characteristic, which is dwarf. Okay. So now, can you give me the ratio between the tall and the dwarf offsprings? Okay, so now here there are three tall new plants or three tall new offspring and one dwarf. So if we want to write down the ratio of tall to dwarf plant, then it will be equals to 1 to 3 tall to the ratio to dwarf is 1. Okay, so that is the ratio. All right.